This is the EEZYBot robotic arm. It is widely used in many small robotics projects. In this video, I will show you how to assemble this robotic arm and how to control it using a smartphone. So, let's get started. This video is sponsored by ZimaSpace. They recently launched the new ZimaBoard 2, a powerful little single-board server for creators and tech enthusiasts. It's built for projects like home labs, personal cloud storage, AI applications, media servers, and many other tech setups. They also have their own OS called Zima OS, which is very easy to use. You can check it out from the link in the description below. Thanks to ZimaSpace for sponsoring this video. First, we need to download the STL files. I downloaded them from Thingiverse. Thanks to the author for providing the files publicly. After importing the files into Ultimaker Cura and slicing them, I started printing the parts using my Creality Ender 3 V3 KE 3D printer. Now our 3D printed parts are ready to assemble. We also need some small nuts and bolts for the assembly. For this project, we need 4 servo motors. I am using the Tower Pro SG90 servo motors. Before assembling the arm, we need to set all the servo motors to 90 degrees. Now, let's assemble the robotic arm. Now our robotic arm is fully assembled and ready to use. To control the arm, I am using an Arduino Nano. To control the arm wirelessly, we also need a Bluetooth module to receive data from the smartphone. Now, let's upload the code. You can find the code and circuit diagram in the video description below. To operate the arm, I built a mobile app using MIT App Inventor. You can also find the app link in the video description. Now, connect the robotic arm through Bluetooth. Our robotic arm is now ready to use. You can use it for many fun robotics projects. You can even make it fully autonomous using your own code. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.